Nissan has introduced the 2025 Murano, which features a redesigned exterior and a number of changes that place it in a position to be among the most fashionable and comfortable mid-size SUVs currently available on the market. Modern LED headlamps that come equipped with an integrated LED daytime running light configuration not only improve visibility, but also provide the front end a more streamlined appearance. Redesigned taillights and a more contoured bumper are two of the features that contribute to the Murano's aesthetically pleasing rear end. This year, buyers will also have the opportunity to select larger wheel options, including 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels that come standard and lend a dynamic air to the whole look. The grille has been somewhat modified for the year 2025, sporting a design that is more angular and chrome highlights that are larger. This addition gives the SUV an appearance that is even more contemporary and sophisticated. The 2025 Nissan Murano retains the same reliable 3.5-liter V6 engine as before, with the same output of 260 GP and 240 lb-ft of torque. When paired with Nissan's Xtronic CVT continuously variable transmission, the Murano provides quick and smooth acceleration, which is particularly useful in city driving. The 2025 Murano has an interior that is both comfortable and opulent. Soft touch surfaces, optional leather-appointed upholstery, and fine stitching throughout are just a few examples of the high-quality materials used by Nissan. The zero-gravity seats, developed in tandem with NASA, provide superior support and comfort for drivers and passengers on lengthy trips.